Pot hosoikare P, dontia tot trikare tree, pitri. Pitri means father. Pitri means father. Mot akare ma, dontia tot trikare tree, matri. Matri means mother. Matri means mother. Got trikare griho, griho. Griho means house. Griho means house. Motrikare mrigo, mrigo. Mrigo means deer. Mrigo means deer. Kotrikare kri, pot akare pa, kripa. Kripa means kindness. Kripa means kindness. Dontia tot trikare tree, munne hot akare kha, trikha. Trikha means thirst. Trikha means thirst. Kotrikare kri, munne hot hosoikare hi, krihi. Krihi means husbandry. Krihi means husbandry. Botrikare bri, kyo, brikkyo. Brikkyo means tree. Brikkyo means tree. O motrikare mri, dontia to, omrit. Omrit means nectar. Omrit means nectar. Dontia notrikare nri, po, dontia tot hosoikare ti, nripoti. Nripoti means king. Nripoti means king. Potrikare pri, dontia tho, ko, prithok. Prithok means separate. नहीं तो आप लोग different भी बोल सकते हैं. Dontia hot hosoikare hu, kotrikare kri, dontia tot hosoikare ti, hukriti. Hukriti means a good action of work. Botrikare bri, hot, hohonto hot. Brihot. Brihot means huge. 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 A kotrikare kri, dontia tot hosoikare ti, akriti. Akriti means shape. Motrikare mri, munya not akare na lo, mrinal. Mrinal means lotus. Talibia hot trikare shri, got akare ga lo, shrigal. Shrigal means fox.